Today I'm going to make this Valentine's decor with a piece of scrap wood I had, and I cut out the hearts in XOXO with my laser. If you don't have a laser, you can use vinyl also for this. I started off painting my piece of scrap wood with a dark brown color, and then I'm adding a layer of Elmer's glue. Just spread it out evenly on the wood, and then I make sure I get the sides too because I also want a crackle effect there. And then you just take your white acrylic paint and paint right over the wet glue. Next, I'm using my heat tool to dry the paint, and as it dries, it starts to give that nice crackle effect. I took a piece of sandpaper and scuffed the edges up a little bit. Next, I used a sponge to paint the hearts and the XOXO with some acrylic paint. If you're interested in this heart and the XOXO word, I do have the SVG and I will link it below. I painted the piece of scrap wood with Waverly Antique Wax. Then I took a baby wipe and wiped it just to give it more of an aged look. And then I did the same thing for the hearts. Next, I glued the hearts and the XOXO to the piece of wood using Aleene's tacky glue and a little bit of super glue. Then I used hot glue to glue on this cute little bow I made, and I think this just turned out really cute. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and I hope it inspires you to make your own.